Hello and welcome to another episode from Fixing Swede. Today we are going to fix the blurry or foggy daytime running lights, or fog lights as you all may also call them. This is done on a Porsche 911, a 997.1 Carrera S from 2005. And this will be all the same on all 997 and of course also on many other cars. To get them out, you can use a credit card or something similar to push in at the side of the light. I use a small plastic plate to protect the paint and then use a fishbone to push on the holding plastic tab on the light. While pushing, try to pull it outwards and then angle it out like a hinge to finally be able to pull it out forward. Be careful with the cables. This is how the plastic tab looks like. This is the one that you push with your credit card or fishbone to get the light out. There are 3 different connectors that you could either pull off the holder for the light bulb, or you can simply twist the holder for the light bulb and pull out the entire light bulb holder. Here you can see how it looks in detail, and if I pull my nail over the surface, I can feel that it is uneven, and this is what we have to get rid of. I will start by sanding with 600 grit. I found it better to wet sand the plastic. I don't think there was that much plastic that got stuck in the paper when getting some water on. And in this first step, it is important that we get all the uneven or damaged surface off, because the next levels of sandpaper is just to clear out the scratches from the 600 paper. So as you can see here, we still got some damage that we have to get rid of. Some more water and then some more sanding, a little sped up. It's not very easy to see everything, so you can feel with your nail, and sometimes you can feel that, yeah, here we have to do some more sanding. More water and then more sanding. Then we go to 1200 grit and do the same. We spray some water on, and then we just keep sanding it until we get a nice smooth finish. Next step is the 2000 grit, and we do the same thing. We just keep spraying some water and keep polishing until we get a nice smooth finish. And as we can see, the glass is getting clearer for every step we take. From the start, it was very foggy, we didn't see a thing through. Now we're gonna see some improvement when we get to the next steps. And the next step we're going to is the 3000 paper. Yeah, it didn't say anything on the back of that paper, but it's the 3000 grit. So we keep polishing it, and we see once again it's getting clearer and clearer. This will not get it the way we want to, so we will use some polish in a while. We keep sanding it with 3000. And now finally we are done with the sandpaper. Now we are going to get the first step of polish. I used the Festool speed cut, and this will take away the scratches that we have from the 3000 paper. The machines and materials that I use is no professional stuff. The polish machine is a machine for about 300 euros. You can get a much cheaper one and get the same result. You may have to sand a little longer, but you will get the same result in the end. If you use a rotating machine like I do, be careful and continuously feel for heat on the polished area. Because if you polish the same area for a long time, there's a big possibility to burn the plastic, and then you will have bigger problems than just polishing it away again. And this is the same on the paint for a car. If you polish the same area for a long time, you build up heat and you can ruin the paint. You want some heat, but not too much heat. And as you can see, we are getting a much clearer view right now. So this is the most satisfying step, I would say, because now we get a clear view through the lens. The last step is to use some ordinary polish to get the final touch. For this, you just use the same polish that you use for the rest of your car. It's not easy to show the difference on camera, but the result is more or less perfect, I would say. And if we take the other light and compare them, I guess you may see some difference. In real life, it's a really big difference. And this time I haven't protected them with any PPF or clear coat, so we'll see how long it lasts. There is a risk that they get yellow and foggy again if not protected, but I'm a little interested in seeing how long that takes, so therefore I haven't protected them. The last step is just to reinstall them, and you start with connecting the three cables. And once that is done, we are going to put the light in place again. And you can see both on the car and on the light there are some cutouts that will work as a hinge. So these are the ones that you want to insert first, like I do here. And when they are inserted, you are just gonna angle in the light in place, and then it's going to snap in, and then we are all set. And that's it. In my opinion, a really big difference from the start when we had the foggy lights. So this is something that I really recommend to do because it's an easy fix. And maybe it took an hour or so for one light, and it's totally worth it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya!